So now let's download the Zoom client onto your computer. So for that, I'm going to go on to a web browser and I'm going to type in zoom.us and I'm going to press enter. So once you go into the Zoom website, on the top right hand corner, you can find resources. So once you go into the resources, you can find download Zoom client. So simply click on it and over here you'll be redirected to a page where you can download Zoom client. So this is the client that you want to download, that is Zoom client for meetings. So I'm just going to click on this. So once I click on this, the Zoom client will be downloading. You can see that the Zoom installer is downloading right here. So depending on the web browser you use, you might see different results. I'm using the new Microsoft Edge web browser. You can also use Google Chrome and the result is the same on both of them. So over here, you can see that the Zoom installer has been downloaded. So I'm just going to click on open file right here and I'm going to press run. So once I press run, it'll start up the installer right over here. So you can see that it is initializing, the installer is initializing, and depending on your computer speed, it'll take some time to install the application. So it is installing. As you can see, I can just close around this out right over here and Zoom has been installed, as you can see right over here. So that's the Zoom Cloud Meeting client right over here. It has been installed onto my computer just like that. So now once you close it and you want to access Zoom, you can simply go to your start menu and over here in the Cortana search, you can simply type in Zoom and you can find Zoom right here. And once you click on it, the Zoom application will start. So over here, you can see that now you can join a meeting and sign in, which I'm going to talk about in the next lesson. But to make Zoom accessibility easier, here on the taskbar, once the Zoom has been started, I'm going to right click and I'm going to click on pin to taskbar. So what that does is once I close the Zoom icon, the Zoom software, the icon still stays there. So whenever I want to access Zoom, I can simply click on it and it'll start Zoom for me. So that is how you can download and install Zoom onto your computer. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.